Good morning, children. I hope in the first video you would have learnt about body parts, how different parts work together, and about the sense organs. Right? Today we are going to see how to keep our body clean and fit. Okay? To keep our body clean, we must wash our body parts daily. The parts like legs, hands, face, eyes, etc. Okay. We must brush our teeth twice a day. Morning automatically you will brush your teeth, right? And then night before going to bed also you have to brush your teeth and then go to bed. Okay. Then take bath daily. Next one, cut your nails once a week, because the dirt and all will be there in your nails, and when you eat along with that it will get into your body when you eat your food and you will fall sick. So we must cut our nails once a week. Okay, to keep our body fit we must get up early in the morning, eat healthy food, do exercise daily, and go to bed early. Okay, once again I'll repeat. To keep our body fit, we must get up early in the morning, do regular exercise, eat healthy food, and go to bed early. If you follow all these habits, your body will be fit and you can be free from diseases. Okay, children, will you follow all these good habits so that you can keep your body clean and fit? Okay, so with this we are finishing off this lesson. Now we will move on to the exercises. Okay, so I have written and kept. I will read and show you. If you want, you can take a photocopy of it and then you can write in a notebook and practice, or with the photocopy itself you can learn. But if you write and see, it will be a practice for you. Okay, shall we move on? Yes. Children, now we'll move on to the notes. Okay, lesson 1, my body and health. If you are writing in the notebook, you can write whatever you feel you can do. Okay, children, you'll be having your last year's notebook, right? In that 4 lines notebook, write very neatly. Okay, so every sentence will start with a capital letter. Can you see capital letter? Every sentence will start with a capital, the heading of the lesson, the first letter, lesson L. Then my body and health, this M will be capital letter. Okay, then capital letter means what? It will touch the top red line. Okay, fill in the blanks. Roman letter 1 will be fill in the blanks. First one, body parts work together to do one task. Body parts work together to do one task. Number 2, we must wash our body parts every day. We must wash our body parts every day. 3, we must exercise daily. We must exercise daily. 4, our body is made up of different parts. Our body is made up of different parts. So for all these words, you have to by heart the spellings. Work, wash, exercise, different. All these words, write it 5 times. Okay, children? Now, Roman letter 2. Name any 2. Okay, it is like give any 2 examples, right? Number 1, activity in which both hands and legs are used together. Activity in which both hands and legs are used together. Skipping, dancing. So many examples will be there. Running, swimming, so many are there. Only any two is asked. So I have written skipping, dancing. You can write your own examples also. Okay. Number 2, sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5, right? You all know that any two you can write. I have written eyes, nose. Okay. Sense organs, eyes, nose. Number 3, body part that keeps growing throughout our life. Body part that keeps growing throughout our life. Okay. Answer is hair, nails. So it will keep on growing. Our body will grow to a certain stage and it will stop. All the parts will not grow. Okay. Hair and nails will continuously grow until our lifetime. Okay, children. Now we'll move on to the next one. Roman letter 3. Answer in one or few words. Okay, answer in one or few words. Number 1, sense organ with which we see. Sense organ with which we see. So with which organ we see? Eyes, yes. Number 2, sense organ with which we hear. So with which organ we'll hear? Ears, yes. Number 3, sense organ with which we taste. Sense organ with which we taste. Yes, I could hear somebody telling tongue. Yes, with the tongue only we taste. Number 4, sense organ with which we smell. Sense organ with which we smell. Nose. Sense organ with which we feel. Sense organ with which we feel. Yes, it is with our skin. Okay, children. Now, moving on to the question and answers, right? Q bar A. Q is for question and A is for answer. Okay, children. Number 1. What are sense organs? What are sense organs? The body parts with which we feel or sense our surroundings are called sense organs. Repeat it once again. The body parts with which we feel or sense our surroundings are called sense organs. Okay, children. Now will you tell it along with me? Yes. What are sense organs? The body parts with which we feel or sense our surroundings are called sense organs. Yes, easy, right? If you learn it once again, it will be very easy for you. Okay, children? Yes. Number 2. Name the sense organs. What is the question? Name the sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs. Once again, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs. Now, will you tell it along with me now? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs. Good. Now, moving on to the third one. What can we do to keep our body fit? I'll repeat the question once again. What can we do to keep our body fit? To keep our body fit, we should exercise daily and eat healthy food. I'll repeat it once again. To keep our body fit, we should exercise daily and eat healthy food. Now all of us together now. What can we do to keep our body fit? To keep our body fit, we should exercise daily and eat healthy food. Yes? Children, I think you're all clear with it. After writing in the notebook, you yourself try to read and then by heart the answers. Okay? All the answers are very simple only. It will be easy for you. Only thing you have to by heart the spellings. Many hard words, big words and all will be there. By heart the spellings. Okay? And try to write it on your own. Okay children? Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video. Okay?